Did you know that something as simple as an onion could fight disease, ease inflammation, and even help with diabetes? Why did ancient civilizations treasure it so much? And could it be that we're overlooking one of God's most powerful natural medicines sitting right on our kitchen shelf? Onion, or allium cepa, is a humble yet mighty bold vegetable found in nearly every culture and cuisine. It belongs to the powerful allium family, alongside garlic, leeks, and chives, and is known for its pungent smell and healing strength. You'll find onions everywhere, from local farms to major food markets in Asia, Africa, the Americas, and beyond. Onions grow abundantly in countries like India, China, Nigeria, Egypt, and the United States. In Africa, especially in regions like northern Nigeria, Ethiopia, and Cameroon, onions are a staple in meals and traditional healing remedies. It thrives in moderate climates and stores well, making it a survival food and healer in one. This small bulb is loaded with God-given healing power. It contains sulfur compounds, quercetin, and prebiotics. Here's how onions support your health. Anti-inflammatory. Eases pain from arthritis, sinus issues, and more. Natural antibiotic. Fights off viruses and bacteria naturally. Regulates blood sugar. Supports diabetic health. Heart protector. Lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. Cancer fighter. Antioxidants. Shield cells from damage. Respiratory healer. Opens up sinuses. Reduces coughs and mucus. Digestive support. Promotes healthy gut bacteria. Hair and skin remedy. Reduces acne and helps hair grow stronger. Eat it raw in salads for maximum immune boosting effects. Make onion tea by boiling sliced onions to soothe colds and coughs. Create a poultice by crushing and applying it on the chest or joints to draw out pain or infection. Apply onion juice to your scalp to fight hair loss. Add to soups and stews for a slow release of its healing power in your body. Ancient Egyptians believed the onion symbolized eternity and buried them with pharaohs. Greek athletes ate onions for strength before competing. In African and Middle Eastern traditions, onions were used to repel spirits, purify the air, and cleanse the blood. These weren't just myths. They were early understandings of food as medicine. God didn't leave us helpless. He gave us nature. He gave us food. And many of the answers to our health challenges are hidden in plain sight, inside everyday foods like the onion. As a life strategist and healing coach, I encourage you to start seeing your kitchen not just as a place to eat, but as a sanctuary of healing. You don't need to be a doctor to begin the journey, just willing to listen to the wisdom God embedded in creation. If this opened your eyes to the power of onions, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to know, and don't forget to subscribe for more healing secrets and life-transforming truths from nature and spirit. We've got more divine wisdom coming your way. Have you ever used onions as medicine or heard a traditional remedy involving onions in your culture? Share your story in the comments below. I'd love to learn from you.